Changing your Mint Mobile number isn't like updating your plan. Number changes require support contact due to FCC regulations and fraud prevention. The app handles basics, but for numbers, you'll need customer support to guide you through. To start the number change, log into your Mint Mobile account via the app or website and find the Contact Us or Support section. Initiate a chat or call customer support stating you want to change your number. You'll need to verify your identity using the last four digits of your SSN or account PIN. Support will then help you either get a new number or port one in from another carrier. The process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind that you may need a new SIM card, which Mint Mobile provides for free. While waiting for the number to change, please keep your old SIM card in until the number port is confirmed. Be ready to provide accurate account details from your previous carrier if porting a number. While not fully automated, Mint Mobile is working towards streamlining the process in future app updates. Porting a number to Mint Mobile is generally free, but porting out may incur fees.